Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have some new product to show you. So I apologize in advance that this video is going to be a little bit more salesy, but we're really excited about these and we thought you would be too. They require a little bit different setup using these hooks on a bracelet, and so we're going to show you how to set that up today. Let's dive in. Alright, so you can start off with just the standard amount of cord for a bracelet. That's about 8 to 10 feet depending on your wrist size. And there's a number of different ways you could do this. You could just attach it with a cow hitch because there are the two holes there, but I like to do it a little bit different way. I'm actually wearing a bracelet right now because I've really been liking these hooks. And what I do is basically just do a seamless start on the cobra weave without the cow hitch on there. If you were to make a cow hitch on these hooks, you have to do it a little bit differently because there's a divider between the two holes. So you just come up through, actually let's go down through one of the holes, then over the top, and then up through the other hole before tucking it underneath the bar, like that. How we're going to be doing it today is a little bit different. I'll just be sticking both ends down through each loop. And pull the excess through. And leave however long you want your bracelet to be with that loop. So you can test that out by wrapping around your wrist, or you can measure it out too if you want to be more scientific about it. But again, leave about an extra inch so that the bracelet isn't tight on your wrist when you are done making it. So I'll go with that, and then you can just jump right into your cobra weave from there. This method is ideal because it leaves a closed loop on this end instead of two ends of paracord. Then just going right into the cobra weave. You guys probably know this by now, but one cord over the top and under the other side cord. Bring that cord around through the back and up through that loop. I'll go a little bit slower on this next one. Each time you'll reverse. So now it's left cord over the top, right cord over that, but then around the back and up through the loop. And then just do that down the length of the bracelet like always. Catch you at the end. I should mention the paracord color that we use today is cream, and these hooks come in both an antique bronze or brass there and this chrome or silver color. They've got both that anchor and this side hook. You can check those out in our store by the time this video comes out. Hope you like these as much as we do. We'll put links to all this stuff in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.